of them videos where I didn't think of it first. Well, I did, and then I never did it. So what you're about to see is 3 of us replaced the shock absorber. I said 3 of us because it was hard work. Although it was a lot less hard work than what was expected. So this is the replacement of the offside shock absorber, which was completely gutted. And at the start of the video, which is cut out, I said I'll do an intro once I've started, and then never got down to it. Don't know how much audio is going to be there because there's lots of music, so we'll do a quick copyright test before we do it. So if there's bits missing out, it'll be annotated in. There wasn't really much to explain. We were moving 2 top bolts, 2 bottom bolts, and smacking the shock out, putting the new shock in, put one. Bit of a...
Yeah, you're using 5 in. That gets annoying. Here comes the impact gun.
Impact gun doesn't work.
Does it not? Worth a try.
What's on it?
Yeah.
It's going to be like taking the wheels off, isn't it?
I know, you need the practice though. You best stop reserving the safety of it anyway, impacting it might snap it.
Do you have a 24mm burner?
Me?
Yeah.
24?
Yeah.
I'll go and have a look.
And another extension bar. So now turning both sides. You reach down to about here, so you can do that. That's beautiful. Someone turn
Taking
that.
bets, I'll pay me a tenner, I'll do it.
Got that. Someone turn that. What?
You mean grab that and turn it?
Yeah. Right, yeah. The one on this side moves. You got another 24 socket? There you go. What? Stop it. Should put on the waste stick while we're in.
I'm sure there's going to be a lot about the fucking other one, but that one's going to do bits and bobs.
Right, let's see if we've got this the right way around. It doesn't go on right.
You're not supposed to let the knob fall off.
Don't understand. You know, still. Feel coming inside. Coming home. Yeah. No, you've got that. Yeah, send it to yeah. That's what it's in the position for. So, we got light all of a sudden because the box at the end of it. Fall into the sky. Right. I went out. Should be able to put it. Yeah. Same length as that. Yeah, that's full. Right. Well, this job was supposed to take all day. Right. Couldn't give a shit what you do with that. Right, do you want to get this big bolt inside? Big bolt.
This one. Yeah.
This shock's surprisingly heavier than new one. That's this side. Maybe it's because it's got a thing on it still. And also I suspect it's because it's a bit more metal onto it. I'll get a compass then. That's number 4. This is really pretty stuff. I've got the bottom one in first, that's good stuff. That's that. Never get them nuts off. Bet. You can see where the bracket was. There we go, green. Start washes. They won't need doing see.
Alright.
When we put these up now, copper slip and down stop. We have to take the bottom and next down. Without any fading. You will lose your cushion.
Covers the bill. There's no extra left over. Nobody's making any fucking money.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're trying to break down.
What he said when police chased him down. Give me 40 acres and I'll turn this rig around. It's the easiest way that I've found. Guys can turn it on and down, but I need 40 acres to turn this rig around. When he finally found it to unload, he had a dreadful shock. But he came right through the dark. And as he looked around him through his tears, he made the sound. Give me 40 acres,
Release the jacks now.
this rig around. Give me 40 acres and I'll turn this rig around. It's the easiest way.
Oh, I'm gonna have to do the walk down to the other side.
Guys can turn it on a dime, I'll turn a truck downtown. But I need 40 acres to turn this rig around. Finally got unloaded, he was glad to leave that town. He was feeling very happy because he was going home. Out ahead he saw a sign saying you are no foot bound. He give me 40 acres, I'll turn this rig around. He was driving down the highway when ahead he saw a sign. He had to make a left turn but he could not get it.
That looks promising.
days in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking.